So we'll be doing a maximum likelihood estimation, all right? And we start with two equations. We will first calculate the probability of y equals 1 and y equals 0. Okay, here. What is my probability of y equals 1 given x? Well, it's a function of beta 0 plus beta 1 x1. Can you guys see the whiteboard? Thumbs up. Okay, cool. Very good. So now, can anyone tell us what is the probability of y equals 0? Yes, 1 minus p. Good. So probability of y equals 0 given x is 1 minus this. 1 minus this. Okay, and this is a system of equations, all right? My first step will be to calculate the combined probability for one observation. For one observation. What is the combined probability for one observation? The probability of y equals yi given x. Okay? And this will be equal to our first probability, okay, which is a function of beta 0 plus beta 1 x1 to the power of yi, power of yi. Okay? Now times my second probability, which is 1 minus a function of beta 0 plus beta 1 x1. And here it's 1 minus yi. Now what's going to happen if I want this for all of my observations, for my entire data set? We need to do a product of all of the probabilities. Product, okay? So focus here, product. So for all the observations, it'll be a product from I equals 1 to n. This is the likelihood. The likelihood for all of the observations, okay? And I'll use the same formula as here. I'll use this formula. But a product for all the observations. Okay? So, well, same thing, which is a function of beta 0 plus beta 1 x1 to the power of yi times 1 minus the function of beta 0 plus beta 1 x1. 1 minus yi. Okay? So for all of my observations, the log likelihood function is that product. Okay? Is this product. When I do my log transformation, and here's where calculus comes into play. When I do my log transformation, my product gets converted to a sum. So here's my sum. From I equals 1 to n. Okay? Probability, yi, natural logarithm of what? Of my function of beta 0 plus beta 1 x1. Right? In my log transformation, I have to take my my power in front of the log function. Okay? And now I'm going to add, because it's a sum, I'm going to add this. I'm going to add this. Okay, so plus 1 minus yi times natural logarithm of 1 minus function of beta 0 plus beta 1 x1. I'll do partial differentiation for both in respects to beta 0 and beta 1, and that's going to have to be equal to 0. Okay? So partial differentiation in respect to beta 0, this is beta 0, has to be equal to 0. Partial differentiation in respect to beta 1 equals 0.